Welcome to NGL's product training for EssentialLTC, the most innovative and feature-rich long-term care product solution in the market today. Long-term care insurance has never encountered more opportunistic times. With 78 million baby boomers approaching retirement and only 8 million of them currently insured, the market is largely untapped. Adding long-term care insurance to your portfolio doesn't just create additional opportunities to grow your business, it also enhances your image as a financial planner your clients rely upon to provide a complete retirement protection package. The long-term care insurance opportunity is more than just a growing market with limited market penetration. Healthcare costs are rising, making it more challenging for families to pay for unplanned healthcare expenses. And because people are living much longer, long-term care expenses are becoming a burden to the elderly as well as their family, not only financially, but physically, mentally, and emotionally. For this reason, and because this growing market shows a strong potential for high future sales and profitability, NGL is offering a new long-term care insurance product. NGL is a mutual insurance company rated A-, excellent, with AM Best, and has been in business since 1910, over 100 years, and with over $3.8 billion in assets, NGL is financially secure. NGL's new product, EssentialLTC, is a federally tax-qualified, standalone, long-term care insurance policy. It delivers product innovations that most other carriers don't offer, along with industry-standard features that are rapidly becoming unavailable. Features such as lifetime benefit period, single pay, 10-pay, joint pricing, a cash surrender option, and return of premium. Let's start our training by looking at the standard features of EssentialLTC. EssentialLTC offers a number of coverage options, including whether to choose a comprehensive policy, which consists of coverage for both facility care and home and community care services, or a facility care policy only. EssentialLTC is available to applicants who are aged 40 to 79 based on age nearest birthday. A daily benefit is selected by the applicant, varying from $50 to $300. We offer 4 elimination periods from which to choose, including 0-day, 30-day, 90-day, and 180-day. Now we will examine some of the additional standard product features. Waiver premium, bed reservation, respite care, caregiver training, and emergency response. Let's take a quick look at each of them. A waiver premium benefit is included in the policy for facility care services. Once benefit payments begin for facility care services, this waives future premium payments while on claim that become due for the policy. When comprehensive coverage is selected, an optional waiver premium rider becomes available, which extends the waiver to include the waiving of premiums while on claim when benefits are being received for home and community care services. A facility bed reservation benefit is available when the insured is receiving facility care services and incurs a temporary absence from the nursing or assisted living facility, and the facility charges to maintain the reservation. This benefit is also available up to a maximum of 30 days per calendar year. A respite care benefit is available to a maximum of 30 days per calendar year. Respite care services are qualified services provided on a short-term basis to family or friends who are the primary caregivers in the insured's residence to allow their caregiver a break from full-time caregiving. When home and community care services are covered under the policy, a caregiver training benefit is available up to 5 times the daily benefit selected. This benefit is available when the caregiving is prescribed in the plan of care, the insured satisfies the conditions for eligibility, and the person is an unpaid caregiver. When an insured is also receiving benefits under this policy for home and community care services, An emergency response system benefit is available for up to $50 per month. Please note, any benefits received for the emergency response system, the bed reservation benefit, or the respite care benefit are subtracted from the benefit amount. EssentialLTC also provides group rates. Employer groups are offered a 5% discount for a minimum group size of 5 employees, and association groups are offered a 5% discount for a minimum group size of 10 members. Eligible family members may also apply and receive the discount if approved. Let's now move on to the riders and flexible product additions that are available with EssentialLTC. Lifetime benefits, flexible payment options, joint pricing, inflation protection, step-rated inflation protection, shared care, and return of premium. NGL is proud to offer the lifetime benefit period option. The lifetime benefit period provides your client with the comfort of knowing that they are covered for life, with no benefit amount. Selecting this option is accomplished by selecting a base 3-year benefit period and adding on the lifetime benefit period extension rider. When a 3-year benefit period is selected, an additional benefit period extension rider is also available to extend the benefit period further. This includes a 1-year benefit period extension which, when combined with a base 3-year benefit, results in a 4-year benefit period. Additional extensions can be added for a total extension of 3 years, which when totaled with a 3-year base, becomes a policy of 6 years. And as previously mentioned, a lifetime benefit extension is also available. NGL is also proud to introduce both a 10-pay and a single-pay option to the LTCI marketplace. Your clients will be able to choose between lifetime payments, where premiums are paid over the life of the insured's policy, or a 10-pay option, in which premium payments are made at a higher level for 10 years, whereupon the policy is paid up and no further premiums are due, or a single-pay option, where a single premium payment is made at issue, after which the policy is paid up and no further premiums are due. EssentialLTC also offers competitive joint pricing. Policies can be purchased either as an individual or for 2 people residing in the same residence jointly. When applying as an individual, rates are gender distinct. But joint policy rates are also available for 2 individuals who live in the same household and who, if related, belong to the same generation. EssentialLTC also offers inflation protection, a feature that allows a policy's benefits to grow over time. Just another benefit which is likely to be very important to your clients. It is for this reason that EssentialLTC offers both 3% and 5% inflation protection as optional riders. With both 3 and 5% inflation protection options, the daily benefit and the benefit amount grow by the inflation percentage selected on each policy anniversary. Inflation protection can be paid for on a level premium basis, or for those who desire a lower initial premium, on a step-rated premium basis. Under the step-rated option, the premiums start lower than the base policy and then increase by the same dollar amount every year. Let's look at a simple example. A 3% compound inflation protection policy with a $100 daily benefit and an annual premium of $1,500. On the first anniversary, the daily benefit will grow from $100 to $103, while on the second anniversary, daily benefit will increase to $106.10. And on the third anniversary, the daily benefit will increase to $109.28. Every year, the annual premium remains the same at $1,500. Now let's look at the policy with the 3% step-rated compound inflation protection. Because this is also a 3% option, the daily benefit amount grows by 3% every year, just as it did in the previous example. Moving on to the shared care rider, this option is for those individuals who are applying as joint applicants with a benefit period less than lifetime. Should either insured or both insureds exhaust their own benefit amount under the policy, an additional separate shared benefit of the same amount becomes available. This third shared benefit pool is created so that if either insured runs out of their own benefit, they will have an additional benefit amount to use. Many other shared care benefits take the shared benefit from the other insured instead of providing a third benefit to use. EssentialLTC also offers full and limited return of premium riders. When the full return of premium rider is selected, upon the death of the insured, or when the last person in a joint policy dies, all of the premiums that were paid under the policy will be paid as a benefit to the named beneficiary. Both return of premium riders also offer an option to include a policy surrender feature for a minimal extra premium of 10%. This optional policy surrender feature allows the policyholder the right to surrender the policy at any future time and receive a lump sum of up to 80% of premiums paid, minus any benefits paid against the policy. The amount received is graded by 20% every year until reaching the 4th year of the policy, when a total lump sum of 80% is received thereafter. By combining the return of premium rider and the optional policy surrender rider, we create the reverse combo product. This reverse combo product mimics life combo products in that beginning in the 5th year, for the same premium with the same cash values, the reverse combo provides greater long-term care benefits. Finally, EssentialLTC offers a few additional riders you may already be familiar with, including the First Day Home and Community Care Services rider will waive the elimination period for home and community care services. The Waiver of Premium rider expands the waiver of premium to include home and community care services. The Shortened Benefit Period Non-Forfeiture rider provides a benefit when the policy has been in force for a minimum of 3 years and the policy subsequently lapses due to non-payment of premium. In this circumstance, coverage will continue and benefits are payable based upon the daily benefit that is in effect at the time of lapse. The new benefit amount that will be available is the greater of either the total premiums paid for the policy or 30 times the daily benefit amount. When you begin submitting new business for EssentialLTC, you want to keep in mind the high threshold for policy issue. We request medical records and prescription drug checks for every potential policyholder, along with phone interviews for those aged 40 to 65, or face-to-face exams for those aged 66 to 79. Further paramedical exams are ordered at the discretion of the underwriter. But once underwriting is complete, we've made submitting new business as convenient as possible. You'll find all necessary information located on the EssentialLTC Agent Resource Center website. When prospecting begins, you'll likely be comparing EssentialLTC to the rest of the products available. To save you time, here's how we stack up. NGL's EssentialLTC fills a void in the current offerings of the LTCI industry by providing lifetime benefits, single pay and 10 pay, as well as joint pricing, along with return of premium, and all for a competitively low price. Before we end, we'd like to summarize the highlights of what we just covered. EssentialLTC is an innovative standalone long-term care insurance product with a unique combination of product differentiators not found anywhere else in the market. It is being offered by NGL, a mutual company with a very solid financial standing. With EssentialLTC, your clients can receive a comprehensive policy that protects against looming future long-term care costs, and doing so preserves your clients' retirement savings. Please remember, if you have questions, our agent support representatives are available and eager to help. Thank you for taking the time with us today to learn about EssentialLTC.